Yeah, but I can move up more. Oh yeah. Hey, you look so tan.
What's up?
I'm so jealous.
Alright, let's cut this intro. We'll be right back. What's going on, guys? So it's Martin
And Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So in today's video, we're going to be explaining what we picked up in Connecticut on our trip. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm going to have it linked right here. You should definitely check it out. Today we're going to be going over what we got actually. So we have a big haul. How much did we actually end up spending?
About $107.
So yeah, we spent kind of more than what we usually spend, but it wasn't dollar tag day, so we were just talking about that.
Yeah.
But everything that we did get, we do expect to have a good sell with. So we're gonna show you what we got, and yeah.
Alright, so the first item that we got was actually intended for resale, but once we got home I fell in love with it. But it's a Victoria's Secret pink, just like cowl neck hoodie. Super cute, super nice, and yeah, we're gonna keep it, but
That's all her. So then the next thing we're gonna show you guys is actually the last place that we went to. So Steve actually rented out this like little, I don't even know, it was some type of family thrift shop maybe, not really too sure, but we did end up finding a couple of things. So first thing I'll show you guys is we've got this hat. Thought it was gonna be $1. Christina actually ended up paying like $2.50 for it, so wouldn't have bought it if it were for $2.50, but I don't know, definitely thought we could probably get some reselling this. Snowboarding brands and skateboarding brands usually sell well for us.
and it's just a nice overall hat.
Yeah.
The next two things that we picked up, actually, they were marked $20, but we got a good deal. We ended up getting both of them for $15. It was two Vera Bradley purses. One actually came with a matching wallet. Both of them, actually, after I was looking them up online, came from around 2005 and 2007, so they're pretty old patterns, but that's pretty cool. They're older style bags, so it's really nice. But yeah, two for $15, I don't think that's bad. We could probably list both of them around $30 a piece, and the one with the matching wallet maybe a little bit more.
And so then we picked up this Nike shirt.
Yeah, I actually found it last second. I was looking around, I was like, wow, this looks really cool. It was actually maybe supposed to be for me if it fit, but it didn't. But it's just like a cropped kind of like running nylon shirt, so it's really nice. But yeah, so that'll definitely sell for some kind of money because Nike sells well. And then last on the list from that little vintage thrift store, yeah, was a pair of Levi's. It was actually the first thing that we found there. I was so excited. It was actually, all the clothes in that room were $1, so that was really awesome. But when we were packing up the car, I didn't double look at the jeans at all, and someone literally busted out the thighs.
Yeah.
So as you
they're
can
a little
tell,
torn.
they're a little ripped right there. So we're probably either gonna donate them, or I said we could maybe try to list them as is, but I don't know who's gonna want to buy busted out pair of Levi's. But hey,
it happens.
it was only $1.
And so then we just realized we actually had one more thing from the thrift store. It was this Nike hoodie. It was a Patriots Salute to America service like hoodie. So we picked it up. It was actually only $1. So we thought it was pretty cool. We know these hoodies are usually selling well, and we actually had luck with Patriots, even though we hate them so much.
I know, he always says we hate them, but then we always pick stuff up from them.
Because it sells.
Yeah.
So this was actually the second to last thrift store that we went to. So we're kind of going reverse in our haul. But this was the second to last store we went to, the red, white, and blue thrift store. We ended up finding this Vineyard Vines long sleeve, like Valentine's Day edition long sleeve. So it was pretty cool. We picked it up. It was only, how much was it?
It was half off of $6.99, so like $3.50.
So not bad. We were pretty excited to see that.
Yeah, the only imperfection that it has on it is that thrift store for some reason would put red slashes through all of their tags. So right on the vinyl tag on the inside underneath the Vineyard Vines, there's like a red Sharpie mark.
I'll show you guys right here.
So lame, but that's alright. I mean, it's pink, red, whatever.
Yeah.
It's pink, red, whatever. It goes with the shirt, so.
Yeah.
And then two things that I actually found at the thrift store, which we actually got a tip to lot things together, so I'm really excited to do this with these two items. But if you remember in the one video that we picked up the Brooks Brothers button-up, like, missing cufflink thingy, I actually found two Brooks Brothers ties. One is pink, like stripes, I don't know, but that'll look nice with the blue shirt, and then the other one is a blue, just like geometric pattern kind of deal. So I'm gonna take pictures of those and then add them into the listing, so maybe that'll sell a little bit quicker.
Yeah, not bad.
They were actually both 50% off. That was a crazy thrift store. It was the most packed thrift store ever. It had so many sales. I think they were both half off of $5.99, so
not bad.
Nope. And real quickly in the middle of this video, shout out to Thrifty Esme for the cutest little kimono I have ever seen in my entire life. I love it so much. I love the butterflies, and thank you so much for our koozies. We cannot wait to use them. But back to the video. And so another thrift store that we ended up going to, it was in a nicer area of town. Yeah. So we were excited, well, Martin and I were excited for that, you know, to see like a nicer Goodwill.
Yeah. but probably one of the best Goodwills we've seen besides in California when they had like snacks at the counter and everything.
That's what I'm saying, yeah. So we were excited to see what they had there. And actually looking around, I was looking through black athletic t-shirts. I found my very first ever Lululemon.
Yeah.
So I was so excited.
Check that off the bucket list.
Yeah, we can finally check it off the bucket list, and I finally found it at a thrift store. But it's like this really cool racer back tank top with a built-in sports bra. I seriously have never even felt Lululemon in my entire life, and I'm so surprised by how nice the quality is. Like, I want to keep it so bad, but it's too big, so.
So we're gonna be selling it.
Yes. But that's actually the only thing that we picked up from that thrift store. I actually went over and told Zach that I found some, and he ended up finding 4 more pairs of Lululemon. He found 2 tennis skirts and 2 pairs of leggings, I think, so shout out to him. But yeah. We knew it was a good thrift store from the outside. So,
yeah. So we were very fortunate to find that.
Goes to show, yeah.
So then the second store we actually did go to, we didn't find anything at. It was just too overwhelming. There's too many people. Like we said, there was 20 pickers there. So. And
if you weren't fast enough, everybody beat you to your spot.
Yeah, seriously, everybody went to their spot, and our spot was kind of anywhere really. Yeah. So we didn't really know where to go, and we couldn't find anything in the second store.
We just wanted to talk to everybody, honestly. Yeah. But finally, at the first store, we ended up finding a whole lot of items.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Maybe that's why we didn't buy anything in the second store. We were like, we need to chill. Yeah.
The very first 2 items that we found were actually bras. Martin was on a mission to find the bra section in
that was my go-to. I wanted to go to bras every time we went into the store because I knew nobody else was going to go to bras.
Yes, literally. So, the first 2 that we found, one is a black, just kind of like unlined cotton bra. It's their popular line, Body by Victoria, though, so that one will go well, and it'll also be listed at a higher price. And then the second one we found was like a nude blush colored lacy strapless bra. It actually is supposed to come with straps, so you can wear it in multiple ways, but I was looking at the comps and most of them were selling without straps anyway, so that's no problem. And actually I listed ours for $25.99, and that was on a lower end of comps, so we only paid $5.99 for both of those bras.
Not bad, not bad, not bad.
So one of the next items that we picked up though was a pink camouflage mossy oak women's just like pullover hoodie. Really nice. It's actually still really super soft, so we've had really good luck with camouflage things for some reason.
Seriously, yeah.
So it was a cool pick, and it was only $4 I remember, so that was not bad. And I got it listed for $25.99 also right now, so that'll be some good profit. The next thing that I found, actually, I realized once I got home, was a Walmart's only brand.
Which is silly because I wear these kinds of jeans and we get my jeans from Walmart.
Yeah, so I had no idea, but I picked up this Wrangler outdoor series button up. It felt really cool and it was only $2.50, so I was like, well, might as well. Right, you know, yeah, and actually I saw some solds for like $14, so maybe we might have some luck.
Maybe.
Yes, but it's just like a nice bluish gray like plaid button up, so it's nice for like the summer and fishing weather, you know, coming up. Next thing that I found was this Carhartt flannel. It's like black and yellow plaid. I know Carhartt does sell pretty well. I know we've sold actually a few things of Barton's that were Carhartt, so it was only I think $3 at the thrift store, so might as well pick it up. It was a really like heavy duty flannel, so super nice. And then one of the final items that we had gotten from that thrift store was this women's Woolrich like pullover sweater. Like we said in one of our videos before, Woolrich is a really good brand that just, it sells quickly. It does sell for a good profit too, I guess. We picked this up for $5 and I have it listed for $26.99, and that's also on the lower end of comps, but it's just like a nice wool sweater, so people like that.
Not bad.
Finally, one of the last things that we found at this thrift store was a pair of swim trunks. They were Vineyard Vine swim trunks. I was actually looking at them like through a different aisle and I was like, wow, those look really cool, whatever, like I'll make my way around to go look at them. And then when I was like feeling them, I was like, wow, they feel really nice. And so I looked at the brand, I was like, yes, Vineyard Vines.
We always get so excited when we find Vineyard Vines.
Yes. Even though, I mean, like, I say Vineyard Vines sells so well and whatnot, blah, 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 but we've only had, like, 2 of our Vineyard Vine things sell, but still, they go for a good price, and if you can find, like, cool things like these shorts, like, super colorful patterns and stuff like these shorts, they do sell well. So, yeah, so that was our $107.87 haul that we spent in Connecticut.
So we got pretty much mainly all clothing.
Yes.
That's what we're niching down in. That's what we like to sell. It's what we like to package. It's what we like to take pictures of and everything.
Yeah.
So we really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions or you want to share any love to us. And yeah, till tomorrow, guys, because we're back on the daily post. So till tomorrow, we'll see you then. Have a good night or a day whenever you are watching this. Go crush it. Peace. Good.
But for real, the green label, I don't know what it means, if it's good or bad. Yeah.
Like I said, I want to film just everything. So this is the daily vlogs. They're starting.
They're starting.
Maybe we'll use this clip, maybe we won't. We don't know.
We're off to Connecticut, even though we filmed it in the AM.
We got 2 memory cards full.
Why do I look so, look at my face.
We're washed out from these lights.
Well, at least you saw that.
Look how washed out you are.
I don't know, you need to turn it down or something.
And she said she's going to the hotel, so I'm like,
I don't know how to use this camera, that's the thing.
I was like, but at least you
You guys excited for daily vlogs?
I am. Ew, that was the ugliest angle. Wow, only $22.
Oh snap.
What?
Spilled everywhere.
It exploded.
It exploded. How long are we in?
An hour.
Hour in, going for the
First
piece stop. Like Christmas. Oh yeah. We should just do like a half-hour bloopers at the end for watch time.
No.
But they think it's for them, but really.
It's really for watch time.
It's for us.
Alright, got everything ready to go?
Yeah.
So nice outside.